I have finally done it. God, I can't tell you how many hours I have spent this week sitting in this chair, but I have filmed my entire trading session and I couldn't have done it without my trading buddy Wilma sitting beside me. Literally, every time I trade, she just sits here watching me trade. She's like, good luck. But yes, I filmed my entire trading session for this week. Today is Wednesday, so I filmed Mondays, I filmed Tuesdays, and I filmed Wednesdays, which is today's, which you're about to see. Now, I did say that I was going to do a video on Thursday, but I'm not. I'm going to reserve that for the BD members only. I'm going to have a trading session with the members tomorrow. It won't be filmed. It will just be me and the members. The reason being is because it's so difficult trying to reply to emails, talk to members on Telegram, do trading, and at the same time record my screen. It's like, yeah, I can't multitask at all. But yes, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being BD members. I hope you have an awesome time while I'm away. And yeah, I'm going to refresh, I'm going to relax, and I will see you in approximately 10 days time. So I'll see you when I get back, and enjoy today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. I have personally been using Go Markets for over 5 years now, and one of the reasons I chose them was because their customer service is second to none. Low spreads, fast withdrawals, and thousands of tradable products makes Go Markets the favourable choice for the BD members. Go Markets is the official online trading sponsor of Chelsea Football Club. If you are looking to trade with a worldwide trusted and regulated broker, then sign up using our link below and start trading today with low spreads. Thank you and enjoy today's video.
Morning everyone. Today's time is 6:57 and this is going to be my final trading session before we go to India. I've just said good morning to the BD members. A few members saying about nice little buy. Some filtering out, they're filtering out some set at this time, lined up first signal. I was just reading this post from a member. Look, I've been back testing Mogwai strategy using HA candles and the results are really good. The indicator gives slightly different signals, meaning they trigger at different times, but they are perfect Mog signal 90% of the time, going for 1 to 3 or 1 to 4. Interesting. Brilliant. This BD members took a nice little buy on EURUSD. That's about it, really. That's about it. Nothing really it's been quite quiet. Let's begin today's trading session. So I'm just gonna have a quick look through the charts. Okay, you can tell that I haven't even loaded up my charts yet. I've got nothing. Okay, so I might get a signal. I've definitely had a nice little sell. Beautiful. Had a nice little buy. We've gone really oversold. Let me just have a quick look at the let's have a quick look at the 15-minute charts. Okay, 15-minute charts is doing that nice little break and retouch. Look at that there. Beautiful. So that sell, I bet if you go back to the 1 minute time frame now, you would have a sell just there. So that sell there here is with the trend. Beautiful. Let's go back to some naked price action. That one. Let's go to 1 hour charts. Okay, right. I'm going to be looking for a buy on Aussie US dollar somewhere around here at the next support line. At the minute, there's nothing there, so I'm not taking anything. So nothing on Aussie US dollar at the minute. USD Chef. Nothing. Nice little sell, nice little buy, nice little sell. GPUSD, all GPUSDs going oversold again. Nice little sell with the trend. Let's have a look at the 15-minute charts. Ooh, this is going to be better. Look what we're coming to on the 1 hour. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Ooh, yeah, look what we're coming to on the 1 hour. This level down here. You know what? I'm probably going to take this trade. If we get a Mogwai signal, I'll be taking that trade. EURUSD, again, nice little sell. Seem to have I've missed all the setups by literally an hour. Anybody catch. What I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video and I'll come back once we get it set up, because you don't want to see me talking to the members. So I'll come straight back. First trade of the day is going to be a buy on gold. It's going to be a nice little in and out scalp. We will go for 1 lot. Done. Nice little buy. It's actually quite simple, to be fair. If we look at the 1 hour charts, we have done an nice little sell, nice little buy just there. So on the 1 hour charts, if you have a look here, what can you see? You can see a nice little break and retouch. You can see the high, you can see the previous high, you can see the lower higher low, you can see the previous low. Yeah, it's quite, honestly, it's quite simple, isn't it? Let me just bring up the charts here. So what you've got here is you've got high, previous high, low, low, and what we come to, break and retouch there. Beautiful, can't you see that? Beautiful. Keep it simple, and we are on to a winner. So go back to the 1 minute time frame. What you've got here now is you've now got your Mogwai signal. In fact, we've got multiple Mogwai signals here. Entered ENTER. I took gold for a buy. Last Mog signal. Okay, right. Let's go back to the setup here. Let's work out what my stop loss is. Great. We'll go for, what's that going to be? It's going to be around a 200 pip stop loss, 200 pip take profit. So I'm going to set my take profit of 200 pips. I don't set a stop loss because I'm going to physically watch it. Because if I set a stop loss, you can always guarantee it's going to be hit. So if I don't set one, I know where I'm going to close it off, 200 pips now. So that is our first trade, just to show you. Our first trade, obviously here, if you look at today's results, nothing, 0. This is my first trade on gold. So yes, I'll update you very shortly on this trade. Okay, this is going to be my second signal on EURUSD. So again, EURUSD. So we'll take a buy on there. So I'm now in 2 trades, gold and we are in EURUSD. Just want to break down again, Mogwai signal, MACD has gone oversold. Again, if we just look at some price action around this, and we go to the 1 hour charts, what do we see? Again, break and retouch. Quite simple, isn't it? That's all we're really identifying, is trading with the trend. You know, those key levels where, okay, we've identified it's an uptrend. You got uptrend, pull back, support line, uptrend, pull back, support line, uptrend, pull back, support line, uptrend, pull back. Okay, so I'll be taking this one. Looking at here now, actually, I'd actually consider that this is going to be slightly for 1-to-1 here, because you've actually got the break and retouch here. See that just there? Previous structure. So that would have been the buy with the trend. However, we've actually failed to go higher now and then come down. So this one here, I would go for a nice little 1-to-1 on this one. I mean, look, it's already gone into profit anyway. So what I'll probably do, if this is already, yeah, I'll probably just close this off at 5 pips, get in and out. That gold trade I'll be holding for 200 pips, which is great. Overall, it's great. Looks like 2 trades in the bag before 8 AM, which is great. Well, literally, I've been on the charts 10 minutes. I've been on the charts 10 minutes, and I've got 2 setups, which is great. It's what I like to see. The problem is I've been on my, what I've done is I've jumped on the charts like an hour before, an hour after all the setups appeared. Like that sell, perfect with the trend, right? USD, oh, hang on here, USD CAD popped a signal, but I'm not taking that one. Gold, we had that beautiful, oh, there's been no sells. GPUSD, that nice little sell with the trend. USD Chef, buy with the trend, and then we had that sell with the trend. How do I know that that one is with the trend and that one isn't? Well, just by looking at price. Look, price is in an uptrend. You can see we had a, if you actually zoom out, right, look at it from an obvious perspective, right, and this is doing no analysis, right, just look at it here. Look, uptrend against the trend, yeah, you win that one against the trend. Then you got a Mogwai signal just there, right, take that with the trend. Right, look at that, beautiful. You can't, honestly, this is a perfect example here. Against the trend, pull back with the trend. Against the trend, pull back with the trend. Look at that, 2 beautiful setups. If you were patient enough and you waited for that pullback and that pullback there and took that Mogwai signal and that Mogwai signal, yeah, you would be you would have been pretty profitable. Okay, but I guarantee a lot of people are impatient. They start taking trades like this one here and that one there and that one there. There's nothing wrong with taking these trades as long as you know what's happening. Okay, for example, okay, if you're wondering why this one is probably winning, right, and that one didn't win, it's actually quite logical. Okay, and again, look at stuff from a logical perspective, right? If price is in an uptrend and then it pulls back, what's this trade? It's with the trend, yeah? So price trends up. Now, would you take this one here when we've just had the pullback? No, you wouldn't, would you? You would wait until we get a massive pullback, a massive trend up, and then take this one with the pullback. You see, logically, right? If price in uptrend, it pulls back, you want to buy with the trend. What you don't want to do is then try and sell against the trend as soon as you've had the buy with the trend. Think about it, yeah? What you want to do is you want to wait for the big trend and then sell the pullback. Because let's be honest, right? If price is like this, trend up, pullback, big trend up, you're pretty confident eventually or sometime around here, it is going to pull back, okay? Which is pretty much what's happening here, okay? Which is good because if USD Chef's going up, down, it means Euro USD is going up, which is great. So we should be around the 5 pips mark, 3.2 pips. We're getting there. Gold's kind of just sitting at this level at the minute, which is fine. I'm happy with that. I like this because it tells me that there is a level here. It tells me that I got my support line right. So that's an update. 2 trades, Euro USD and gold. I'll come back very shortly. Okay, quick update on gold. I'm going to close gold off now. I've actually took 2 trades. So give you an update because it's been about an hour and I've been constantly having debates with BD members. A lot of BD members took the buy on gold as well. We also, some BD members took a back-to-back sell on in fact, let me just show you on the chart. So it was GPUSD. So we took this beautiful sell with the trend. It was beautiful, okay? Again, keep trading simple. Go to the 15-minute charts. What do we have? We have a break and retouch. Doesn't need to be more complicated than that. Break and retouch. You've marked up the low, previous low, lower high, low, right? Price is in a downtrend. So that, going back to the 1 minute time frame, was a beautiful sell with the trend. We've also had a beautiful buy with the trend. Look at that beautiful buy. So sell, buy, back to sell perhaps. You can sell with a double top pattern. Obviously this one here would be against the trend. That one's with the trend. Look at the difference. You take a trade with the trend and it goes straight into profit. No drawdown at all. A BD member took that, which was, you can see here, TP hit on GPJPY. So that BD member took that one. Yeah, I was trying to find you that USD-JPY trade. I mean, got some pips. I mean, that BD member smashing it. That is about it. What I wanted to do was take a sell on Euro gold. I wanted to take a sell on gold, but I was too busy talking to you lot. Right. I closed buys on gold and was planning to sell at the MOG arrow, but too late. Yeah, so that BD members took it. Look, I'm not quick enough. I'm not quick enough. Right. Someone says I'm going for 1975. What a year. And that Euro USD trade. So that Euro USD trade here. So I closed, just want to show you, okay, just give you a quick update. That Euro USD trade I closed off at a loss. I just felt that price was reversing on me, which it kind of did. So I'm lucky I closed it off early. That gold obviously flying. I entered the trade somewhere around here and then I re-entered here. The reason why we re-entered here, again, keep trading simple. Let's have a look at the 1 hour charts, right? Now, this trade here, if we just go to the 1 hour charts, where was the level? Here we go here. So this was the level here. And again, break and retouch to the upside. Now, look what happened on the 1 hour, right? Price has come down through this level and it's closed above it. See that? See how price is closed above it? And that's why I say so much, put your stop loss out of the way. Get it out of the way. Allow space like this, because what happens is people put tight stop losses here, they get stopped out, and then price reverses, and they're like, why has that happened, Jamie? It's like, well, all the price has done is come down, buyers have pushed up from this level because it's a resistance or support, and price will probably close above it. So that's that one. But that's about it really. I'm waiting for our first trade on GPUSD on London Open. Yeah, so currently at the minute, we've just took the 3 trades, you know, not much. But yeah, I'll update you very, very shortly on this trading session. Hi everyone, I just want to give you a quick update on where we are, because it's been a couple of hours since I made that last video. We've took a number of trades together as a group, but basically I've just been sitting here simulating my EA that I built. I've been using this for around a year now. Basically, I'm going to India this weekend, so my trading account is not going to be active. I won't be trading while I'm in India. So I thought I would let my EA loose on it, and I've tweaked the settings. Look at this, right? I've turned, the simulation is still going now. As you can see here, it's still ticking up nicely. But it's turned, with these compound settings, it's turned it from 3 grand into 28 grand for an entire year. Like, the year hasn't even finished yet. This simulation hasn't finished. This is kind of a risky compound setting, but you know what? I'm only going to India for 10 days. We'll see how it gets on. You know, whatever money it makes while I'm away, it's kind of, I wouldn't say free money, but I'm not trading it. You know, I'm sitting on a beach traveling around India, so it doesn't bother me. We'll see how well it performs. But yeah, basically, the trade, it's been great. A couple of BD members took some trades, as you can see here. Nice 3-0, just hit TP, taking it this morning. Mogwire, that is a beautiful. I said TP just got hit on gold. One of these BD members said USD CAD. I said, yeah, seen that. Good call on USD CAD, as you can see there. I just want to show you the actual, I'll get rid of this here so it doesn't confuse you. So yeah, so what's been happening? Right, okay, so USD CAD was that sell here. That was a beautiful sell with the trend. I mean, you don't really have to go to any other time frame to see that that is a trend down, that is a pullback, that is a sell with the trend, and that is a continuation. And these here are against the trend. That's against the trend, that's against the trend. You know, there's only really one winning trade here, and there's only one trade that you really want to take, and it is that winning trade there. You know, and you can see here, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. You know, these here are against the trend. There's nothing wrong with taking trades against the trend, but obviously, you know, you only want to take trades against the trend if you've got support and resistance in your favor. So I just want to show you the results. I've currently got a buy on gold. I'll explain that in a minute. And these are my results so far this week. I just closed that sell off on gold. I took a buy on Aussie USD. I also got stopped out as well on gold. I'll explain that as well. So that buy on Aussie US dollar, for starters, is that buy here off the 5-minute charts. That was a beautiful buy. See where my stop loss is? That red line is my stop loss. That beautiful buy. Now, let me explain to you why this was so good. Okay, so first of all, let's look. Mogwai signal, MACD. I actually, to be fair, I'm actually lying with you. I actually took the trade on the 1-minute time frame, which was actually here. I took this Mogwai signal here. But again, I had a 10-pip stop loss. Okay, which was somewhere down here, somewhere it's out the way. Where's that red line? Oh yeah, the red line here. So my stop loss was somewhere around here. Actually here, 10-pip stop loss. But what was so good about that trade is if we just go to the 1 hour, you should know by now what I trade. Right, you should know by now what I trade. Break and retouches, buy with the trend. Okay, now look at this. Look how powerful this is, right? So let's just first of all identify, okay, the direction of this currency pair. So as you can see here, price trends up, price pulls back, yeah? Price trends up, price pulls back, yeah? Buy with the trend. See that nice little break and retouch here? Let me just get rid of that there, and I'll drag that across here. There we go there. So obviously, again, trend up, pull down, trend up, pull down, trend up, pull down, buy with the trend, yeah? However, I bought here with the trend. Why? Because this is still technically an uptrend if we stay above this level here. So what we've got here is uptrend, pullback, resistance, prices come down to the high, and we buy here. Now, I went for 1 to 2 here. Just basically, you can target the top of the zone. I mean, to give you an example here, if I was to take this trade, yeah, I did take the trade. So for 10 pip stop loss, you know, this trade's still going to like 20 pips somewhere, but that's good trade. That sell on gold. So I took a sell here and then I re-entered the sell here. Okay, again, why did I take this one? And why did I take that one? And why am I in this buy here? So that buy there is that buy just there, as you can see. Okay, so again, both examples, MACD's gone overbought on this one, MACD has gone oversold on that one. So again, let's look at some price action. Let's go to the 15-minute charts. 1 hour charts. Let me just think. Okay, here we go here. Right, okay, so I'm just trying to think because I also took some buys, didn't I? I'm trying to think exactly what happened. History. Right, yes, so I did take some buys. There we go. That was, no, buy. There we go there. That was the buy and sell. Okay, right, I'm with you now. So the buy I took that I closed was the buy from the break and retouch here. So break, retouch, resistance on the 1 hour chart. So I took this one up. See that buy here with the trend? I took that off the 1 minute time frame. If I load the 1 minute time frame, there'll be a Mogwai signal here. I took the sell, right? I took the sell because if you go to the 15 now, what do we have? We have a break and retouch on the 15 to the downside. So again, we've got a trend down, we have a pullback, we have a trend down, we have a pullback, sell with the trend. So what I've done here is complicated. I've bought with the 1 hour uptrend and I've sold with the 15-minute downtrend. Okay, so obviously it makes sense, doesn't it? Now, I'm in another buy, and the reason why I'm in another buy is because of this support line here, right? So, again, we've got a break and retouch. You see that? Resistance, okay? Now support, break, and retouch. It very complicated. If you're a beginner, you might not understand this because I'm using multiple time frames here at the minute. I've sold here with the 15-minute downtrend. I bought here from the 1 hour support line, and I'm now buying here from the 15-minute support line. Yeah, so buy, sell, back to buy. But this will probably be my last trade. As you can see here, it's going nicely into profit now. What I will do is I will I'll leave it open, and what I'll do is I'll update you in around 15-20 minutes once I get an update on this trade. A lot of BD members look buy on gold. I'm already in that buy on gold. So yeah, I'll pause the video and I'll come back very shortly. Hi everyone, quick update on that trade. Literally went downstairs to have me lunch. And beautiful, as you can see, beautiful. I've actually got a TP though. I'm just curious on where price is going to go to. We should go to the top level on the what's that, about 600 pips. I've set my TP at 155, so we should get this 160. I'll probably just set it at 200 for in and out, to be fair. See what the BD members have said. We literally just talked about this trade before I went. Took my 15 pips on 15 pips. I'm at 165 pips. So because there's candles, so they are both. I think you can't spot SNR in the beginning. Okay. Show me. Yeah, it's just been a good general. Literally, lunch of champions. I'm not even joking. That's literally what I just had for lunch. This is why I love the BD members. I'm going to steal this photo and use it as my. I'm going to use it as my as a thing for this video. Right, okay, I'm going to leave that there. Like I said, I've set a 200 pip take profit on this one. There you go there, 138. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video and I'll come back again very shortly. Hi everyone. So yes, those trades on gold hit take profit, as you can see here. I'm trying to, what's this, another 100. Okay. No, what I was trying to do is I want to get this week to 500, because if I get this week to 500, I can pretty much say that I've made 150% gain on this account. Look at this. We started with £1,000, right, on the 7th of March. It's now the 29th of March, and yeah, I've already doubled it and more. So yeah, my win ratio has kind of dropped a bit, which I'm not really that bothered. So yeah, I want to take my last trade so I can say, yep, done it, smashed it, 500 quid for the week. Obviously, it's not a lot, but at the end of the day, it's not my it's not my larger account. This is just, I just trade this on my YouTube videos with the members. My larger account is on my MT4, which you can't see at the minute. Funny enough, my EA is actually running it at the minute. So yeah, okay, I think this is going to be my final trade of the session, of the day, of the week, until I get back from my holiday. Let me just have a quick look. Yes, I'm definitely going to take it. Aussie US dollar, we're going for a sell. We're going to go for one lot, and we are in. So yes, hopefully this is my final trade. I'll just get rid of this. I've literally just been sitting here simulating. So what we've got here. So first question you're probably going to ask, why didn't I take that buy? Why didn't I take these sells? And why have I took this sell at the top? Okay, so let's first of all have a look at the price action around it. Let's just go to the naked charts. Let's have a look at the, what should we have a look at? 15. Let's look at the 15. Okay, what do we see here? We see a buy from here. So that buy signal was the buy Mogwai signal was here. However, look what we have just come into, an area of resistance. So we know sellers are in the market. We've created lower lows and lower highs. So, you know, it's quite obvious who's in the market. Sellers, previous low, lower high there. So we are looking at a downward movement. If we have a look at the 1 hour charts, it's a lot clearer as well. You can see that perfect break and retouch. See that on the 1 hour? Now, you've got to be mindful of this, because if you go back to the 15 minutes here, there is a support level here. So what you want to really do is sell from the top to the bottom, get in, get out. You could target all the way down here, but the problem is you're asking the buyers who want to buy here not to buy. Because the problem is when price gets to here, right, what are people going to do? They want to buy with the trend. So what you want to do is just get in, get out with this trade, and hopefully, if we go back to 1 minute time frame, it explains why at this level at the top there is Mogwai signals. That is the buy at the support line. This one here, just in no man's land. This one here is too early. And again, the level, if you probably just zoom out, if I go to the 1 hour charts here, there we go there. What do we have? Right at that level, just there, that break and retouch just there. See that break and retouch, see that? So if you go back to 1 minute, where is the level? Right at the top there. So we want to buy, we want to sell right at that level, and we want to get our stop loss out of the way. So yeah, hopefully this is my final trade, and then I will give you an update on all of the trades that I've took. I'll show you my trading history, so you can see everything. You can see my entire trading week that has been filmed. What are the BD members going on about? 25 pips. Screw it. I'm holding. What about USD Shell? I'm on USD. USD2. So again, a lot of BD members taking the same trades pretty much I'm taking. I just got 26 pips on GU, so I just made 26 pips on GU, which I'll actually show you is that buy there. I took that beautiful buy just there. And again, I'll show you the history of that, but I'll update you again soon. That is that one at the bottom. GU buy, banked 400 quid on it. Beautiful in and out. and that is it. We're now in a sell, and hopefully this is my final trade of the trading session. So I will come back straight. I'll come straight back, everyone. So Aussie US dollar just hit take profit. As you see, a lot of BD members took this trade. Here we go. Yes, come down. Perfect trade. Aussie US dollar hit. Thanks. Yeah, so this is well annoying, right? Because I actually closed this trade off early just to show you, right? Just to show you here. Look, right? Aussie US dollar closed early. I closed it in profit. I closed it like 2 pips. But yeah, I actually regret closing this trade off early. And the reason why I closed it off early is because gold started shooting up, right? And normally when gold moves up or down violently, it normally influences USD pairs. So I was a bit wary. I'm like, I don't particularly want to be in a sell on Aussie US dollar if gold's flying up. But yeah, I kind of regret that now. That trade where we entered is currently sitting around 7 pips. And if we entered here, the Mogwai arrow, that's currently like 13 pips. Oh, that's annoying me because I knew there was a resistance level there. I knew it was a resistance level. Yeah, I messed up there, everyone. I messed up. Closed the trade off early when I shouldn't have done. I'm just going to put to the BD members, I closed it. Done. So a lot of people are still going to hold this. Watch this trade. Guarantee. Watch this trade move about 10 pips now. Or in fact, it's already moved 10 pips, hasn't it? Because if you entered here, you know, that would have been easily 13 pips. AU was a nice 1-to-1. Yeah, so BD members took it as well. A good trade. It was a good trade. Done. Right, I'm going to find one more trade, everyone. One more trade because I want to try and get this account to 500 for the week. So I'm going to find one more trade and we're just going to go all out, everyone. We're just going to go all out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back once we find that final trade. Right, I found it. I found it on the most unusual pair. So we are going to take US 30. It's been a while since I've traded US 30, but we are going for it. We are going for it. All right, okay, one lot. You ready? In. We are in on US 30. This is going to move quick. Your question is, why did I take US 30? Right, okay, well, first of all, obviously, from a Mogwai perspective, MACD is going to have a sold Mogwai signal, yeah? Just closed above the TCA line there. What I like about this is, again, just look at some price action. Let's go to the 1 hour charts. What do we have? We have a support line just there. Look at that, beautiful. You can see it on the 15 minutes as well. Look at that, right? So I know people are going to try and buy from this level. Easy, I'll get a 1-to-1 out of this. Easy. So hopefully all I need is 50 quid and yeah, I mean the spread on this is terrible though. That's the problem. The spread on it is terrible. So what's 100 pips? Let's go with 50 pips. Let's go with 60 pips. Okay, nope, 65. Done. In. TP has been set on US 30. So, yeah, I'll update you once. Oh, hang on here. What's Aussie US dollar doing? Aussie US dollar is giving me a buy. I'm not taking that because, and I'll tell you the reason why I'm not going to take a buy on Aussie US dollar. Because if you look at some price action here, where is the support? The support is here. That's where everybody's going to buy. Not here. That is in no man's land. So that Mogwai signal here is making no sense. The support line is below it here. So yeah, my final trade, hopefully on US 30. I'll come back very shortly. Right, believe it or not, I'm going to take another buy on Aussie, or another buy. I'm going to take a buy on Aussie US dollar. That US 30 trade's doing absolutely zero, zilch. I'll show you, look. It's literally just sitting at a support line at the minute. Right, you know I said Aussie US dollar, if we're going to buy it, it's going to be at a support line. Look where it's come down to. It's come right down to this support line, which is exactly which I said it would do. Which is funny that, isn't it? Because why did I close the trade off early? Doesn't make sense, does it? But hey, you know, even I make mistakes, I guess. Anyway, right, so we've now took a buy because, again, I know buyers are going to buy from this level. In reality, all I really need is, well, 50 quid. What's that? Another 10 pips, probably. These are there. We'll set it 8 pips. Done. So we're now in 2 trades. We're going to buy on Aussie US dollar and we're going to buy on US 30. Update, US 30 is going sideways, which is 0, and Aussie US dollar is currently sitting at a level. So again, I'll pause the video. We're now in 2 trades, and yes, oh, there you go, nice little rejection wick, isn't it? So it's definitely, there's definitely a level here. There's definitely buyers coming into the market here, which is great. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video and I'll come straight back. Okay, TP just got hit on Aussie US dollar, as you can see here. Beautiful. I actually closed this a little bit early at like 8 pips, which is great. As you can see here, closed it off here. Where's it? Aussie US dollar. There you go. There. No, it wasn't. It wasn't the Aussie. It was. Interesting. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's loaded now. Here you go. Aussie US dollar. 30 quid. So literally, I am £19 away, which is all left on US 30. No pressure. I didn't quite like, you notice how I closed Aussie US dollar early because I felt it was going to pull back, because obviously the overall direction is down. But US 30, you are my final trade, so let's hope we can get 19 quid out of this trade. Let's see. You know what, I'm going to take another buy. I'm going to take a buy on gold now. XAU. Oh, it's all starting now, isn't it? Buy. This is going to be interesting. Now, again, the reason why I took this, again, go to the price action here. Again, MACD's oversold, Mogwai signal, yeah? Look at this here. Look at what we got on the 15-minute charts. Look, we have an area of support just there. See that? See that area of support? So we've created a higher high. There's the previous high. And look what we have. A nice little pullback to this region here. You go over to 1 minute time frame. Oh, and what we got? Mogwai signal. So one of these trades, gold or US 30, is going to make me the £500 for the week. So there you go there. Buy on gold and a buy on US 30. I'll come straight back. Ladies and gentlemen, we've finally done it. We've ticked over £500 profit for the week. Not bad off a £1,000 trading account. Well, basically, I deposited on the 7th of March. And by the end of March, I have made £2,500. So not bad. As you can see here, these are the entire trades for the week. Just show you that that gold. So that was that buy on gold. Literally entered at the arrow. I just did enough to get my pips, and that was it. In and out. But that's the proof. You've seen pretty much every single trade I have took this week. I started it on Monday. As you can see here, Monday was... there you go there, Monday the 27th. And yeah, I have took this week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 wins and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 18 win, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 18 wins, 5 losses. That is my trading done for this week. It's my trading done until I get back from India. So just want to finish off by saying that this, oh, nice little result from a BD member, trading GPUSD, is this one here. I'll leave it with this one. Okay, I'm done for the day. 12 trades, 11 wins, 1 loss, and passed my FTMO challenge, which makes me a better trader than Jamie, right? Because he lost his FTMO challenge down to a technical glitch. So yeah, I got beaten by David. But yes, hope you have an awesome trading time while I'm away. I love you all, and yeah, I'll see you all when I get back. Thank you for watching.